Trying to bring up the energy, you know? So I'm going to try and ask questions at the foundations that are just beyond me in the background. So anybody here? Anybody here want to say anything? This device in my hand will allow me to hear you. This is your big chance. Still get a lot of energy readings on this.
Big time. It shoots up.
I'm going to give you another minute. I'm going to switch over to phonics mode and see what happens. You look good holding that camera, Tony.
Thank you. I worked hard all night.
I really don't want to know what you were holding all night.
And how hard you were working.
Is that what poison ivy looks like?
Kick it up.